Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some gray epoxy sculpt clay. We're going to give this thing a go and show you guys what it is and kind of how it works and explain it to you. So it comes with, I think it's going to be a glove. We got a little bit of sandpaper here. We have some instructions. It says we can sculpt, model, repair, wood, plastic, ceramics, do lots of different things. It'll give us all of that. We have a part A and we have a part B. So we have two different parts which we'll have to mix together to make it work. So let's see, preparation, clean the surface. We want to heat part A and B before use in water bottles or microwave it to make it a little bit warm. Remove epoxy putty, use a tool or wear disposable gloves to remove the clay. And then we mix the two parts together and knead it to ensure that they are well mixed. And then we will use it to prepare. So I have a couple of areas on my baseboards where Penny has chewed it up. So I kind of want to get those back filled up again. So that's kind of what I got this for here. But let me show you what it looks like here. So this is what the epoxy part B looks like. This is what the part A looks like. It's got a little bit of a smell to it. I'll touch it because why not? But here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. I'm just going to get a little bit. So here's a little bit of part B and an equal-ish part of part A. So here we go. So the way it will work is it's going to stay fairly, what's it called? A will go on. Let me just put these covers back on here just to keep them dry and the smell down in my apartment. Okay, so then we have this. So we have these two, and the way it will work is it'll be kneaded together, and then that will be what activates the clay to give it the ability to have the strength and to dry. So you'll see as I do this, and I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. I will clean my hands very well afterwards. But so without it, it won't harden. So this will be without mixing it. So you'll mix it up, and you'll see here it's turning gray, which is actually almost the color of my baseboard. You can kind of see some of the stuff back there, like my trim on the door is about that same color. So then we are given this gray right here. And now I've kind of warmed it up because I just did just the teeniest little part. And I mean, normally you would use, more. But so this is now a full gray nub, and it's like clay and it's tacky, but it still stays in place. So I can go and use it to fill a corner where Penny has chewed it off, and that will be cool. And then you can see I can just shape it into all different things. And it heated up now just on my hands. Normally you would want to heat it up in hot water or something ahead of time. But look at that. So now it's totally sculptable, and I can do that, and then it'll dry and be solid. So totally cool stuff. Thumbs up for sure.